honeys, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own textured vase. I have a very large vase right here, and this is from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to be using glue sticks and my hot glue gun. So let's get to it. Okay, so I have my scissors right here just to prevent this vase from rolling around, and I have my glue gun, and I'm just gonna make lines all the way across. I was seeing these hot glue vases all over Pinterest and I was super inspired. I was like, this is gonna be my next project, because I also saw Tamara Bradshaw on Instagram. She did one as well, or a couple of them, and I was like, oh wow, these are too cute for me to not do this. Alright, so this is what it ends up looking like. Just several lines. And it dries very quick, so that makes it awesome. Alright, so I'm moving on to the next side. Okay, as you can see, there are strings from the hot glue, and if it's able to come off so easily, I recommend just going ahead and peeling those off. Next time when I try this, I'm going to make sure that I do even strokes, because if you lift off like I did without letting the glue dry first, then you're going to have a lot of the stringiness, and I wasn't feeling the stringiness, but let's keep it moving. After moving all those glue strings, I decided that I would paint this vase metallic gold. I just have an obsession with gold right now, but next vase will be silver. I only used one coat of paint for this because I was rushing, but I think 2 coats would have been better. Also, afterwards, I used 1 coat of clear paint on top. I let the vase dry for about 40 minutes, and then after, I used Scotch tape, and I had a pattern of doing 3 tapes across and then 3 tapes horizontally across there, so it's like a crisscross. And you see there's spaces, so these spaces are to put the flowers. These help the flowers stay centered because the vase is so large. For this floral arrangement, I'm putting all of the roses in the center, and then the greenery is going to go on the outside. Also, I do have baby breath, so they're going to go in between the roses. I buy flowers once a week, and I just feel like doing my floral arrangements are so therapeutic to me. Like, it's so relaxing, and just looking at these flowers, they're so beautiful. These are the sunset roses that are from Trader Joe's, so definitely go and check them out. I've decided that I'm gonna get some tulips next, but everyone who I know who gets tulips, they always die, and I'm not sure how to keep them healthy. So anyone with the green thumb, please let me know in the comments. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.